Hey, thanks for tuning in. It has arrived. This won the poll for the tank I should build after the Panzer IV. I got this from High Altitude Hobbies in Colorado. The brand new 135th Border Models Merkava Mk.2D. With full interior. This is my first Border Models kit. The box is fairly large, at 16 by 11 by 4 inches. Let's open the box and look inside. We'll start with the main hull pieces. Very crisp molding, nicely detailed. There's the finest texture on this lower hull piece. On the upper hull, there's a beautiful texture all over. Look how fine the teeth are on the turret ring. Nice detail inside as well. That is a piece of art there. Exquisite detail and texturing, perfectly crisp molding. I'll say it now, this is probably the nicest plastic I've ever seen. Sprue A, which there are 2 of. The wheels, springs, and drive sprockets. Sprue B, which there are also 2 of. In addition to the running gear parts, there are ammo crates, towing and lifting points, etc. This is Sprue C. For most of these, I zoom into the 4 quadrants to show the detail. Sprue D. I see there's an aftermarket barrel available, which I'll think about getting. I'll see how the 2-part plastic one builds up first. A 1-piece slide-molded one would have been perfect, but it's okay. Sprue E. Sprue F. Look at the fine detail there. It's gorgeous. Sprue G. Sprue H. They've molded on the dangling chains. It looks really fragile, so I'll be extra careful. I suppose you could replace them with fine chain if you have the correct size. For those of you like me who aren't big PE fans, you're in luck. That's it, and 12 springs plus decals, which are cartograph. Lastly, we'll take a look through the instructions. So now I'm extra motivated to get that Panzer IV done. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Be well and happy modeling.